Do you want to reset your printer to default factory settings in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. One of the easiest ways to resolve any printer-related issue is by resetting it. However, the problem is most users don't know how to do the same. That is why, in this video, we are going to show you how to reset printer to default factory settings on a Windows computer. Method 1. Reset HP printers. Let us start with one of the biggest brands in the electronic community. To reset HP printers to default, you need to follow these steps. Turn off the printer. Disconnect it from the power source and wait for 30 seconds. Reconnect the printer. Turn on the printer at the same time. Press and hold the resume or cancel button for 10 to 20 seconds till the attention light turns on. Now release the resume button and your printer will be reset. This was how you can reset HP printers. Method 2. Reset Canon printers. To reset Canon printers to factory settings, follow the given steps. Press the Setup or Menu button, go to Device Settings, select Reset Setting, then Reset All. Choose Yes. Press OK. Your printer will be reset. However, on some printers the menu is absent, so they have to press and hold the Stop button till they hear the alarm, usually for 10 seconds. However, on some Canon printers, the option is different. The device will reset. You can also follow this guide to know how to reset a Canon printer in details. Method 3. Reset Brother printers. To reset Brother printers, follow the given steps. Remove printer's lid. Press the power button 7 times in a row. You will be able to see a green light. That will indicate that your printer is reset. Now you can put the lid back to its place and hopefully whatever problem that you are facing will be resolved. However, if you are on HL series printers of Brother, then the procedure to reset the printer will be different. If you want to bring that printer to the factory setting, follow these steps. Go to the Initiate Setup and press OK. Select Reset, then OK. Choose a reset option from the menu and press OK. Confirm your actions by selecting Yes, and you will be good to go. Method 4. Reset Lexmark printers. To reset Lexmark printers, follow these steps. Select Settings and press OK from the home screen. Go to General Settings and then Factory Default. Finally, select Restore Now and click OK. That's how you reset Lexmark printers. Method 5. Reset Epson printers. If you want to reset Epson printers, follow the steps below. Tap the Home button, then go to Setup, then System Administration. You might need to enter your password. Navigate to Restore Default Settings. Select Clear All Data and Settings, then select Yes. This should reset the printer. If you have Workforce Pro printer, go to Settings, then Restore Default Settings. Select Clear All Data and Settings and confirm your action. Method 6. Reset OKI printers. To reset an OKI printer, use the Printer Menu Setup tool that comes with your printer. So, open the app and attach your printer. Then click Reset All Counters. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your printer. If you want to manually reset the printer, select Manual, Reset, then Factory Default, and you will be good to go. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.